Revolut Batch Payments is a feature that allows users to make multiple payments at once, saving time and increasing efficiency. This guide will walk you through the process of using Revolut Batch Payments, explaining key concepts, providing practical examples, and offering best practices. To start, you need to have a Revolut business account, as batch payments are only available for business users. Once you have an account, you can access the batch payments feature through the Revolut dashboard. Here, you can upload a file containing payment instructions, which can be in CSV or XML format. The file should include the payment amount, recipient name, and recipient account details. You can also add additional information, such as payment references and descriptions. It is essential to ensure that the file is correctly formatted, as any errors can cause the payments to fail. Once the file is uploaded, Revolut will verify the payment instructions and check for any errors. If everything is correct, you can confirm the payments and they will be processed. You can also schedule batch payments for a future date, allowing you to plan and manage your payments in advance. One of the key benefits of Revolut Batch Payments is the ability to make multiple payments in different currencies. This is particularly useful for businesses that operate internationally and need to make payments to suppliers or employees in different countries. To get the most out of Revolut Batch Payments, it is crucial to follow best practices. This includes regularly checking your account balance to ensure you have sufficient funds, verifying the payment instructions before confirming the payments, and keeping a record of the payment files and confirmations. In summary, Revolut Batch Payments is a powerful feature that can help businesses streamline their payment processes and increase efficiency. By following the steps outlined in this guide and adhering to best practices, you can make the most out of this feature and simplify your payment management.